I love when I can whip together a super hearty and delicious soup that requires minimal effort and can be ready in under an hour. It makes me feel good about feeding my family something delicious and comforting, and has some veggies too. This tortellini soup is made with Italian sausage, cheesy tortellini, and fresh zucchini. It's a delicious meal all on its own. You're going to want 1 pound of Italian sausage. Remove the casing from the meat, and then brown the Italian sausage in a large saucepan. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, which also equals 2 teaspoons, and 1 cup of coarsely chopped onion. All I had was red onion, and that worked just great. You can use whatever onion you'd like. Next, add 5 cups of beef broth. This container gave me 4 cups, so all I had to do was make another 1 cup of beef broth using beef bouillon that I like from Costco. Also add 1 cup of water. Add 1 28-ounce can of sliced stewed tomatoes. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of thinly sliced carrots. I love to use my mandolin for things just like this. Let's add some spices. Half a teaspoon of basil and half a teaspoon of oregano. And then add 1 cup of tomato sauce. Cook this all together for half an hour over medium heat, stirring occasionally. It's now time to add the last 3 ingredients. The first one is 1.5 cups of zucchini. The trick is to dice them, but leave them into large enough pieces so they don't become too soft and smushy. Then add 1 package of cheese tortellini. And the final ingredient is 2 teaspoons of parsley. With those last 3 ingredients added, mix together and then allow to cook over medium-low heat for 40 minutes. We are all done and ready to serve. My kitchen smells delicious. The table is set and everyone's coming to sit down to have dinner, but I'm going to steal a quick bite before that happens, just to show you how delicious this soup is. That cheesy tortellini is melted perfectly, and it tastes delicious with all those yummy vegetables and meat in there as well. If you enjoyed this video, you'd probably really enjoy my video on the chocolate zucchini cake. It is moist and delicious. It's one of the best chocolate cake recipes that I own. So if you want to, at the end of this video, just check out that video next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like, comment below, or if you could share it to help it get more views, I'd really appreciate that. Thanks to all my returning subscribers for your continued love and support. You guys are the best. And if you haven't subscribed, you can do so now. Just click on that red subscribe button and click on that little bell so you get notified when my new videos come out each and every week. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy the tortellini soup recipe as much as my family does, and we'll see you next week.